This little road back here is the very first road I took, the first trip I took on this scooter right after I first got it put together. So I took a little ride down through here on it. I think I usually turn to the right here and run the loop that way, but I think I'll do it backwards just for the heck of it today and do it this way. So we're going on the gravel here. They have rental cabins and stuff back in here. And this is the little, I guess they're going to make a roadway or something in the back there. They got a church back here. This is the Dickens family cemetery up here. I made a video here several years ago. The Dickens family and their slaves that they had are all buried here in this graveyard. This graveyard's 150, 75 years old or something like that. And this is new up here, this building and stuff that they put up here. They're on top of a hill up close to the river up here, close to the old Dickey farm that was down here. A rather unique place. I don't want to go any further back in there. I intrude on people's private property here. But if you're interested in the slaves' graveyard and the inscriptions and stuff that's there, I made a video about it one time. You can find it on my YouTube channel. I was visiting the slaves' graveyard. Well, I guess I could have went on and come out right there, looks like. Oh, well. How was I to know? There's a swimming pool right down here. I guess it's for the people that are renting these cabins and stuff to use. Isn't that a pretty place? Let's see what the sign says down here. All activities are monitored and recorded. Toccoa House Properties owns this beautiful place. We'll follow this little dirt road on down around here. Down the hill, down the side of the mountain here, the back side of it. That's one of the downsides to trying to ride a scooter in the dirt and stuff is there's when you go down a hill, why there isn't any engine braking at all like a motorcycle's got gears on it. You know, you put it in first or second gear to slow it down. This you have to ride the brakes down, otherwise you just freewheel down the hill. And that's that and the small tires and the lack of suspension. Why you don't want to get too far off road on these scooters. They're just not too good. little dirt roads like this, why, they're tolerable if you don't try to go too fast and don't mind getting bounced around a little bit. Be careful what you're doing. I love it back in here. I love to ride there. Just maybe an hour before dark or something like that. It's quiet and not a lot of traffic and stuff. There's a deer just went off right there. Is your battery dead?
No, man, it's logged out on me, like just cut off, and now it's got supposed to start with a pump, so I might call Joe. It's gonna wait a little bit. It ain't leaking nothing. It seems to have power, so I don't know. Yeah, I just got it Saturday too, so I mean, I don't know.
Is that the way it always goes? It is. All right, buddy. Sorry I couldn't help you. I just brought you folks around this way because I didn't want you to think that Blue Ridge was just a little old bitty tourist trap, and there wasn't nothing else here. We have 3 major car dealerships here. We have Walmart, auto parts stores, and everything else you can think of. Rose's department store, shoe stores, Yamaha shop, car washes, gas stations, 50 Blue Million taverns. Giant Ingles shopping center up here. Ingles is a big grocery store chain in the southeast. But this is what we see out here on the 4-lane. There's our little shopping center right there. Over here on the left, the building that's on the far end over there says Polaris. That's Blue Ridge Yamaha over there. Good people to deal with. DJ Maxx, Taco Bell, CVS Pharmacy. $4.29 Biden gas. The doctor center up there at Riverstone. Holding 45 miles an hour up this little steep hill here. Motel, enterprise car rental places, gas stations, grocery stores. This is the Blue Ridge's central fire station here. It's all new in the last 2 or 3 years. Fire stations and ambulances and all sorts of stuff. This place on the right here, as near as I can tell, they restore old cars, make maybe hot rods out of them and stuff. There's an old Camaro sitting there, and There was a 52 Willys sitting out here the other day. There's a Fiat, a Spider convertible down there. We still have farmland here. We have sheep and cattle here on this. I don't know what else. I don't know those people down there. Old cars and stuff sitting around. It's for sale. I think it's $1.5 million they're asking for it. Taxidermy. Mountain views. Let's see if I can get far enough over here to get a little bit of these mountain views. Oh, that's pretty, isn't it? These are mostly retirement homes for people down here. That's looking off toward the almost straight south right there.